Here I have LAVA Z90 and let me show you how to enter here the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the operation. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Release both keys as soon as boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. So let's choose here the Fastboot, press volume down to confirm it. And right now the device is in Fastboot mode, so you can use it. If you would like to quit the Fastboot, let's press power key, keep holding power and release power as soon as LAVA logo pops up. That's it, the home screen pops up. Now you can unlock the screen and start using your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.